Welcome to Adapster. Adapster is the first adaptive test preparation software available for a mobile device. Students can create unlimited reviews from over 1,000 questions that fall into 4 main areas and 33 subtopics. Now, these custom reviews provide mixed question sets that closely mimic actual SAT math questions. Now, this is offering multiple choice and grid-in answer input. So unlike the traditional review books and other test prep applications, mostly for computers, Adapster automatically keeps a detailed record of the student's input and generates personalized set of lessons and test-taking strategies. So let's take a look. Now I can reset Adapster here because Adapster does learn, and so if you want to reset it, you'll need to do that in order to get kind of a clean slate here. So let's hit begin. Now what you're going to want to do first is go into drill mode, and you can choose whether to review one topic at a time or review mixed topics. Now I'm just going to go in and review one topic, and I can go and select from any of these categories here. So for example, let's go into this first category here. Now we have multiple choice here, so we have A through E. We have our menu button, hint, submit or skip, and then we also have our back button. So what you would do here is come up with your answer, you would enter your answer and hit submit. Now if that answer is incorrect, it kind of writes out an explanation for you of how you should have been processing this question. And then we can go on to the next question and then enter another answer. We can also hit hint if we would like and see a hint and then process our answer. If we got it correct, it just takes us right on to the next question. We got another one incorrect. So now that we have a couple of questions incorrect, if we hit the menu and go into study mode, we can view our personalized study, and you're going to see that some items are already in our personalized study. We have 5 items in here. These are items that Adapster decided that we probably need more help with. So instead of studying things that we don't necessarily need to study because we already know them, it doesn't include that. Of course, we can go in and create our own custom lesson by going into study mode and clicking on study all lessons, and we can view all lessons. But if we don't need to review those, we can take the test basically doing these reviews from within Adapster, and Adapster will adapt to what we need help with. So we can also go into drill mode and review mixed topics. So we can kind of create a playlist for our test. So you can see we're adding several items here. We can go into another category, add a few items as well, and then click Start to start our test. And we'll start reviewing questions. You can see we have 117 in this review. So we would go and process these questions, and then as we got some questions wrong, it would also add those to our study session so that we can go in and prepare for those questions that we didn't really know the answer for. So this is a great way to learn, because the typical way that you study before is to go through the books, you're turning through pages, going through questions, and spending a little bit of time on things, realizing that you don't necessarily need help there. So this application, Adapster, the SAT Math Adaptive Learning application, allows you to only study the things that you need help with. Of course, you can go in and do multiple reviews in drill mode, and sometimes you might get a question right, but you still need help in that subject. So you can go and do multiple reviews, whether you're just reviewing one topic or doing reviewed mixed topics. Or we can go into previous reviews and see reviews that we've worked on before and complete them if we did not complete them before. Simply hitting continue takes us right back into that review. So this is a great application for learning. They are also working on other subjects as well. So besides just having Adapster SAT Math, there will be other Adapster applications as well. For the price of $17.99 for the full version, you can't go wrong with this application, as I know firsthand that SAT study guides and books typically cost a lot more than $17.99. So check this application out in the App Store today, and be on the lookout for their future products for release later this spring. Take care.